Welcome back, everybody, to my YouTube channel. I know it's been quite a little bit, and I just wanted to continue this series as of, what are the things that you need to do when you're getting into investing in real estate, Pinellas County, especially short-term rental, mid-term rentals. My name is Luis Bedoya. I'm a real estate agent, and I'm also an investor here in the community of Pinellas County, Clearwater, Seminole, Largo, St. Pete, Pinellas Park, etc. So a little bit about me. If you haven't checked it out, like I mentioned, I'm an investor and investments agent, luisbedoya.com. You can find a little bit more about me. We have investment properties that we've set up for Airbnb, probably about 20 properties in our portfolio right now, ranging all the way down from 300K all the way up to $2 million. So we've been able to identify multiple properties in our market. We understand what it takes to get the financing done, the insurance done, the right negotiation, the inspections done, getting that property to closing, having a clear plan in order to get that property from closing to a furnished rental that is actually making money and not losing money. So anyways, welcome to the channel. Today I have a very specific topic that I wanted to talk about, which is when is the best time to buy real estate here in the Pinellas County? When is your best time to set up an Airbnb short-term rental property? I think this video is going to be incredibly helpful to you all. And again, forgive me for this format. I'm not making any cuts. I'm not rehearsing any of this. I got a couple notes here on my screen. I'm wearing, my daily wears, and there's no microphone, no nothing. I'm just going straight into it. I just wanted to get this out of the way and talk to you guys about this wonderful opportunity that's coming up this year. So based on our historical records, when it comes to the real estate market and the real estate polls, we've already identified that there's months where it's going to be more difficult for you as a buyer to score that right property, and months where it's going to be a lot easier and cheaper for you to afford that property. Not sure if you can hear my dog drinking water there. So loud. But anyways, so January comes in. Most people are ready to start buying real estate. Contracts start happening between February, March, and May. And by April or June, most people are done with their real estate purchases. And that is great. I've already had a couple of years where those months are the busiest. And the most busy those months, if that makes more sense. But turns out that it's the later months of the year where our market actually becomes very friendly towards investors. Last year in December, people were pretty much practically giving out their houses because there were not enough buyers out there. Same thing with October, November, right? So anywhere between September, October, November, December, it's an incredibly good time for you to buy real estate, because here in our community, at least, the buyers, it becomes very scarce, and the sellers start feeling that pressure of, hey, look, you haven't sold your house, you've been in the market for quite a while, you're gonna need to get something done. There are sellers out there that they can wait months, they can wait years, they're okay if it doesn't sell. But there's also sellers that they have a due date, they have a deadline, they have somewhere to go, and they need to get that deal done. So at that point, it's a great option for you investors to take advantage of that incredibly good season, which again starts at the end of August, goes all the way through December, when it's the best for you to buy your real estate property. Now, when it comes to short-term rental purchases, right, we're going to have a period of ramping up. So now get out of the picture. We're going to have a ramping up period that takes about 1 to 3 months. And this is going to be while you get your first reservations, while you get your first reviews. Maybe also during that time, you're going to be getting your furniture, your photos done, any upgrades or remodels that you're thinking about on that property. So it's usually on average about 3 months that it's going to take you from closing for you to have a profitable Airbnb, or an Airbnb that's set up and on direction to be profitable. So that being said, I would like you to consider the amount of oh my gosh. We're gonna go outside in just a minute, folks. So sorry about this, but I just need to get this information out of the way. And like I mentioned, it's right around that walking time, so she's pretty much asking me to take her out. Anyways, for real estate, for short-term rental investments, you have 1 month to a month and a half, which is normally what it takes for you to close on that home. So you're gonna spend about a month or a month and a half closing on your home. You're gonna spend about a week or 3 weeks searching for the right home. So you might want to think about it between 1 to 2 months for you to find and purchase the property and close on it, and another 1 to 3 months for you to get that property listed, get the photos, get it furnished, and get it ready to be an Airbnb. So that being said, it brings us to the third and last topic, which is the seasonality of our short-term rentals here in Pinellas County, which happen to be between the month of February through June and July. Those are gonna be the buzz months. It starts to ramp up in December. We had properties close December at $7,500. Then they closed at $10,000 in January. They went all the way up to $12,000 in February, and they finished the month of March between $18,000 to $20,000. Then the month of May dips a little bit more, and then it comes right back up on June and July. The best month being March. So what I try to explain to all of my clients is the fact that if you don't capitalize on those really good months, it's gonna be difficult for your business to be profitable and successful. We must ensure that you have the ability to have your property running by at least November or October. That way you have October, November, December as a ramp up period where you're getting your reservations and your property is already ready to go and you've addressed any minor hiccups. And by the time January hits, you're already on the market and you start taking on those high-end reservations so you can make the most money on February, March, May, April. Got him out of wrong, but you get what I'm saying. So first of all is the beat of the market and when it's best to buy the property in the Pinellas County, regardless if you're using that as an investment or a primary resident. That's gonna be towards the last quarter of the year. Then second of all is how long does it take you to set up your Airbnb and why it's important for you to time it with, number 3, the seasonality of our short-term rental business. So that being said, folks, right now, it's May 30th. The month of May, it's almost gone. June is gonna come in, June and July. It's a great time for you to get your finances ready, for you to get that pre-approval letter, for you to get your funds together and tracked, for you to get your tax returns, solved, your tax records ready to go, so you can get pre-qualified for that 10% second second home, maybe 10% down, second home, maybe a fix and flip loan between 20 to 25%, which is something that we're also starting to get into, fix and flip into Airbnb, or that regular 20 to 25% conventional or DSCR loan. So regardless, Revolution Mortgage got your back. You can reach out to my buddy Austin Schumann. He'll connect you and hook you up with the right loan. But beyond that, we want you searching at least by the month of, let me double check here, searching in the month of August, closing in the month of September, and hopefully having your Airbnb ready by October and November. That way you can start getting reservations hopefully in November, December, and January is a month where you're coming in already with some reservations, with some reviews under your belt, with already a property management on track and already a system for your property to develop and work out. Again, most of my clients, they want to start buying January, March, May, and these months are the months where you're basically losing on all the great months while you're under contract. I'm not going to tell you that that's a bad idea. It's great for you to have your Airbnb ready and set up. But if anybody wants to pay attention to this rhythm and this beat in our market, the best time to invest in real estate for short-term rentals right now is going to be within the next couple of months, in the month of August, month of September, month of October. So I absolutely recommend that you start getting ready, that you reach out, that you connect with us. We are a one-stop shop here in the state of Florida where you can find the inspectors, the appraisers, the insurance agents, the management crew and the cleaning crew, where you can find me as a real estate agent. You can find everybody, including your general contractor and handyman people, that you're going to need to make your investment a successful venture. All right. A lot of people sit there and they think, well, the interest rates are too high. Well, I don't want to remodel a house because then I have to go to get all this stuff done. Wait. Before you start coming up with your own conclusions, reach out to me. Let me explain to you the solutions that we have for all of these issues and how we can help you get your investment ready on time, on track, and help you identify really what the best strategy is for you as an investor here in the Pinellas County. Help you find the right houses, the right communities, the right amenities, whether you want to do a pad split, a long-term, mid-term, short-term rental business, or if you just want to do a fix and flip, or you want to combine all of these 5 strategies into one. We just had a property that we closed on, $875,000. We're pouring another $500,000 into this property. It's a beach property. The appraisal came back at $2.2 million. So we're all in 1.5, sells for 2.1 at least. That's a $600,000 to $500,000 appreciation that's forced into this deal. We're holding on to this property for 2 years, and we're gonna grow the equity on it as well while it's cash flowing as a successful Airbnb rental. Folks, we can't do big deals like this if we don't know what we're doing, if we don't have the data, if we don't have the manpower, if we don't have the team around it. So just like we're able to do these high-end flips, we're also able to help you with the $200,000 purchase, $100,000 purchase, $500,000 purchase. You know, just reach out to me. Let me help you. Let me guide you. Allow me to explain to you what solutions we've found here in our county and how they can be beneficial to you, how they can help you. Anyways, that's it for today. That is a short video on when is the best time for us to buy real estate, specifically speaking about investment properties that will be used as long-term, mid-term, or short-term rentals, and especially short-term rentals. That's going to be, once again, just to recap, the three options, the three factors. Number one, the rhythm and beat of the real estate market, the last 3 or 4 months of the year being the best months for you to purchase. Number two, taking into account how long it's going to take for you to have the Airbnb already set up and your property listed and making money with some reservations and reviews under its belt. And last but not least, you being able to match into that high profitable months, that high season, so that your Airbnb is profitable that year and you're not starting an Airbnb right at slow season, which again, we've had people do, and it's okay and it's manageable, and we have, again, solutions to counteract that. But at the end of the day, if you ask me, Luis, when's the best time to go on the contract? That's gonna be in August. When's the best time to have your property ready for listing? That was gonna be the month of October. And when you gotta make the most money? December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. All right. So anyways, I hope you like this video. Very fast, very quick, no breaks, no cuts. I just need to get this information out there. There's a couple more videos that I'm recording today. Again, folks, just get extremely busy and bombarded with requests from everybody, and I like to go above and beyond for every single one. But there's so much information that I need to put out. So the next videos, I have them right here, are going to be video about a fix and flip property, the one that I just mentioned on this video. We're gonna go in depth and look at that one into a little bit deeper and sort of explain to you how we get there. And also another video about how we sort out the properties, how we look for these investment properties, and how I can assure that my location that I'm picking is going to be compliant with what I want to do. So that's going to be very helpful for you. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and you watch our YouTube series guide on how to purchase Airbnbs in Pinellas County, season 1. This is season 2, where I'm just doing it from the comfort of my house and just focusing a little bit more on delivering the right information that you need to know. If you want to book a call with me and have a discovery call where we can look at your options and discover what's best for you financially when it comes to investing in our area, make sure that you reach out. www.luisbedoya.com if you want to take a look at my reviews, if you want to take a look at who I am and learn a little bit more about me. It's all over the internet. Luis Bedoya Realtor. It should all populate in your screen. Anyways, God bless you. Thank you for joining us today. I appreciate you. Make sure you like and subscribe. I repeat, make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. And once again, may God bless you and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.